Hello reefers, Henk here from sunny South Africa. Today I'm going to show you guys how to safely drill holes in your aquarium glass. It can be a nerve-wracking experience if you have not done this before. In fact, I still get a bit nervous when I do this. So there's a few precautions that you need to take. You need to have some safety gear and keep in mind that you are working with electricity and water together. You don't want to get electrocuted. So there's just a few minor precautions that you need to take before you tackle this. And let's get to it. So the first thing that I would want to do is a little bit of prep work. This is a bit experimental. I have not done this in particular before. The thing I want to try is to use some tape, plastic tape, to tape at the back side of the hole. And the idea behind this is, should the glass break or when the drill goes through, that I don't want to have little shards of glass flying around. Also, the tape should hold those little shards of glass to prevent them from falling to the bottom and creating a hazard, removing them later on. So the little shards of glass should stick to the tape. That's the theory behind this. We'll give it a go and see what happens. Just placing the tape, securing it onto the glass. I folded the top double so it gives me a little piece to grip when I want to remove the tape later on. So for this drilling exercise I will be using a power drill. You can also use a cordless drill if you have one. I believe the cordless drill will be much safer to use as it's not plugged into high voltage. It's got its own battery pack as well as a diamond core drill from the hardware store. This one is 20 millimeters diameter, and I've set up a water tank with some irrigation tube connected to it at the bottom here, flowing through. I've got a little valve to control the flow, and I just clipped it into these grippers to keep it into place so that I have a constant water flow in the area that I want to drill. Also, the power point is behind the tank, if you can see there, far out of the way of any moisture so that I do not electrocute myself. I would really like to continue making these videos for you guys to enjoy and for myself to enjoy the hobby as well. No need for hospitalization today. Eye protection on, just to make sure that if there's any shards of glass flying, which I doubt will happen, but you never know. Okay, so the key to this is to take it slow. Don't rush, don't put any pressure on the glass. In fact, you can hold the drill back a little bit. Make sure that it's perpendicular to the glass. If it's twisted, one end will go through the glass quicker than the other. Also, your hole will not be central. Your hole will veer off to one side. So you want to keep the drill perpendicular to the glass. Okay, I believe we are ready to start drilling now. Let's see. Looks like we went all the way through. Right. It's time to remove the tape. And that worked a charm. See all around the edges, I don't know if you can see, There's little shards of glass that broke off, but the tape has held it into place, which makes for a much cleaner job. So a test fit is in order to see if our fitting is going to fit in the hole we just drilled. Yes, sir, indeed. Our hole is snug as a bug. It's working perfectly. Okay, you guys, I hope you found the video informative, helpful. If you did, please like and subscribe to the channel. It will help me tremendously. And hit that bell notification for any future uploads. Happy reefing!